Hello students, it is your maths class. So after a long gap we are introducing the next lesson of your mathematics, that is subtraction, lesson 3 subtraction. Okay, so from this lesson you want to understand what is subtraction, what is subtraction sign, what is the answer of subtraction. These three basic things you want to understand first. Okay, so what is subtraction that you are learned from the lower classes? Subtraction, okay, you know what is subtraction. So subtraction is taking away. Okay, subtraction is taking away. So what is taking away? Here for example, okay, so I have here, look, two chalks. Okay, so in my hand we have two chalks. So here when I take one from these two, how many remains here? Only one. Okay, so two take away one remains one. Okay, that is take and put away, that is take away. Okay, so simply we can say in your home you have two toffees. In your hand you have two toffees. Okay, so or three toffees. One is taken by your brother. Okay, you have three toffees in your hand. One is taken by your brother. How many remains in your hand? Okay, how many? Two. Okay, so three, when from three take away one remains two. Okay, so this process is called subtraction. Okay, take and away. You understand what is subtraction? Subtraction is taking away. Okay, subtraction is taking away. Okay, so in different ways we can subtract. Okay, that is explained in your lesson. Okay, in different ways. First of all, you want to look as taking away. Okay, so here you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 stars. Okay, from these 5 stars we taken 2. Okay, 5 stars. Okay, so how many stars? 5 stars. So taken 2. Okay, so how many remains? 3 remains. Okay, so you want to understand how we are representing this in mathematics or number ways. So for that we are using, just like in addition we have a sign. What is the sign of addition? Okay, plus. In such a way we are using a sign in subtraction also, that is writing like this, a symbol line. Okay, this is called minus. Okay, so what is subtraction sign? Minus. So wherever you are saying in between the numbers this sign, what you want to do? You want to subtract the number. Okay, you want to subtract the number. That is, for example, 5 or 4 minus, okay, 3. 4 minus 3 remains how many? Okay, 4. How many? 4. Take away how many? 1, 2, 3. What is remaining? 1. Okay, so 4 take away 3 remains 1. Okay, so here these two numbers, in between the numbers you can see the subtraction sign. What is the sign? Minus. All of you want to say what is minus? Okay, and is equal to 1. What is 1? 1 is the answer of subtraction. What is 1? Answer of subtraction. So answer of subtraction, we have a name. We are difference. What we are saying? Difference. Okay, so 4 minus 3, what is the answer? What is the difference between 4 and 3? That is 1. Okay, 4 minus 3 is equal to 1. Okay, so this is the basic thing you want to understand. First of all, what is subtraction? What is subtraction? Subtraction is take away. Okay, what is subtraction sign? What is subtraction sign? Minus. Okay, what is the answer of subtraction called? what is called a difference. Okay, D-I-F-F-E-R-E-N-C-E, difference. Do you know the spelling? Okay, yes. So this is read as 4 minus 3 is 1. Here what is the difference? 1 is the difference. Okay, so difference between 4 and 3 is 1. Okay, so that is the take away. Okay, now how we are doing this subtraction? First of all, subtraction by crossing out. Okay, take away, take and away, that's we are seeing here. 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. Okay, then by crossing out, what is crossing out? We want to cross out. Okay, so for example, here you can see flowers. How many flowers we can count? Count it. 1, then 2, then 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so you can see 6 flowers here total. Okay, so how many crossed out? Last one is crossed and second last also crossed. So how many crossed? 2 flowers are crossed out. Okay, so 6 minus how many crossed out? 2. Okay, is equal to how many remains here? Okay, how many flowers without cross? That is 1, 2, 3, 4. That is the answer. That is 4. Okay, so 6 minus 2 is equal to 4. Understanding? So 6 flowers total. How many we are crossed out? 2. Okay, first of all 2 cross, 1 crossed, then next one also last and second last. Okay, 2 flowers are crossed here, then remains 4. Okay, so you want to do, so if it is 7 flowers, then minus 3, 7 minus 3, how many you want to cross out? 3 want to cross out. Okay, so 7, how many want to cross out? 1, 2, 3. Okay, 3 crossed. What is remains? 4. So 7 minus 3 is equal to 4. Okay, now you want to understand that is another method for the subtraction. Then for the subtraction we are counting back. Okay, what we want to do? Count back. We can find out the difference by counting back. That's also this subtraction. Okay, how you count back? Can you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? Likewise we are counting forward. Okay, how we are counting back? Can you count back from 5? How? First of all we are saying 5, then count back just before number we want to say what is 4, next 3, next 2, next 1, next 0. Okay, so that is counting back. In such a way we want to count back. So for that you want to understand the numbers. Here 4 minus 3 is equal to 1. So first of all you want to take 4. How many times you want to come back? How many times you want to come back? 3 times. Okay, 3 times. Okay, so that can be shown as like this. Okay, here you have a number line starting from 0. Okay, then 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, then 5. Okay, up to 5. So here what is the number? 4. So this is your number. Okay, this is your number. And how many times you want to move back? 3 times. So here first want to count, go back from 4 to 3. So 1 time. Okay, next time 3 to 2. That is second time. And next time from 2 to 1. Okay, so how many times we moved from 4? 1, 2, 3. So 4 minus 3. What is remaining here? This portion. What is this portion? 1. Okay, so here 4 minus 3 is equal to 1. Clear? 4 minus 3 is equal to 1. That is counting back. Okay, in such a way we want to count back. For example 10. How many fingers you have? 10 fingers. Okay, so what is 10 minus 4? You want to count back from 10. Okay, so from 10 this is 9, then 8, then 7. Okay, then 4. So 10 minus 4 is equal to, what's it? 6. Okay, in this way you want to count back. Okay, finding the answer by counting back. So here the 4 minus 3, that is 1. Okay, subtraction as counting back. In this way also we can find the difference. Okay, then next point you want to understand, then subtraction of 0. Subtraction of 0. Okay, so what is subtraction of 0 mean by? Okay, so 0 means nothing. We are nothing subtracting from the number. Okay, so if you have 5 toffees with you, nobody taken the toffees. Okay, so how many remains in your hand? That 5 is with you. Okay, nobody, if nobody taken from you, that is full with you, that is 5 with you. Okay, so that is the 0. Okay, 3 minus 0, that is 5 minus 0 is equal to 5. Here 3 minus 0 is equal to 3. Okay, so if we are subtract 0 from a number, we will get the same number as the answer. Okay, so 3 minus 0, 3. 4 minus 0, 4. 5 minus 0, 5. 10 minus 0, 10. Okay, nothing is subtracting from the number. Okay, 0 means nothing. If we are nothing subtracted from the number, we will get the same number as the difference. Okay, so 3 minus 0 will be 3. That is subtraction of 0. You understand? So if we are subtracting 0 from any number, we will get the same number as the answer. Okay, so here subtraction of 0. The next point you want to understand, that subtraction of 1. Subtraction of 1 means if we are subtracting 1 from any number, what happens? Okay, so here you have 7. How many? 7. If you are subtracting 1 from 7, what is the answer? Okay, for example, 7 toffees with you, 1 is taken by your mother. How many remains with you? Okay, 6. Okay, so when we are subtracting 1 from any number, we will get just before number as the answer. Just before number. Okay, അപ്പോൾ നിങ്ങൾ തൊട്ട് മുമ്പുള്ള നമ്പറാണ് നിങ്ങൾക്ക് എന്ത് കിട്ടുക? ആൻസർ ആയിട്ട് കിട്ടുക. ഓക്കെ, 5, if it is 5, 5 minus 1, just before 4. Okay, so 4 will get. Okay, 7 minus 1, 6. 8 minus 1, 7. Okay, 10 minus 1, 9. Okay, 3 minus 1, 2. Okay, in this way we will get just before number as the answer. Are you understanding? When we are subtracting 0 from the number, we will get what? The same number as the answer. Okay, then if we are subtracting 1 from the answer, we will get just before number as the answer. Okay, then subtraction of same number. The next point is subtraction of same number. Okay, so if you are subtracting same number, for example, 5 toffees with you, 5 toffees are fully taken by your father. How many remains with you? No toffees. Okay, so that is 0. No toffees, that means 0. Okay, so when we are subtracting the same number, okay, from the number, we will get 0. Here 8 minus 8 is equal to 0. Okay, 8 minus 8 is equal to 0. Okay, so 7 minus 7 is equal to 0. Can you say another example for that? Okay, 4 minus 4 is equal to 0. 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. Okay, so this much of things you want to remind in your mind in this chapter. Okay, so what is subtraction? Okay, subtraction is taking away. Take and away. Okay, so what is subtraction sign? Okay, minus. And what is the answer of subtraction called? Difference. Okay, so that you want to remember first, just before entering to the chapter. Okay, and how you are subtracting the numbers as taking away. Here 5 stars, take away 2 remains 3. Okay, and by crossing out, okay, so here you have 6 flowers, crossed out 2. Okay, how many remains? 4. And here counting back, okay, so 4, count back from 4. How many times you want to go back? 3 times. So what is, when you go back 3 times from 4, you will get 1 as your answer. Then subtraction of 0. What is subtraction of 0? 3 minus 0 is equal to 3. That is, the same number will get as the answer. Okay, and when you subtract 1 from any number, just before number is the answer. Okay, and when you subtract the number itself, okay, same number from the number, what is the answer? 0 will get as the answers. Okay, so this is the chapter, that is subtraction included. Okay children, so the exercises we will share through the classes, okay, WhatsApp or classrooms. Okay, so how you want to do, okay, the exercises, that page by page, okay, will give through the classrooms. Okay children, if you have any doubt from the last portions taken or in this portion, you can ask. Okay, so this is your second lesson, and all of you, thank you.